CanLII. So what exactly is CanLII? It's the Canadian Legal Information Institute, which provides data much like court listeners for the US, which most of you might be familiar, I assume. So what we have done is we have provided an MCP server for CanLII data, in which you can access CanLII data from their API but hosted by us, so that you can use this inside of your Claude or any other provider that accepts MCP server. So basically I'll tell you how to get an API key from CanLII and then use the MCP server of CanLII for free. So head over to canli.org, just head over to this website, go to footer, you will see something like APIs. Click on the APIs, you will get inside the CanLII API documentation page. Just fill out this feedback form to apply for an API key. I'll just click on the API key, and yeah, the feedback form is here. Just scroll back and yeah, write the name of your org, email, reason for it, will pick API request, and just write your message of like who you are, why you want, or what is your need for using the API key. After you have used the API key, just head over to this repository. I'll link this in the description, and let me go back. Yeah, if you're using Claude Desktop or Claude Code, just add this code and give your API key in here, and you'll be good to go. This is the URL of the hosted MCP server, so you can interact with CanLII directly without hosting your own MCP servers. So that's one way to use it. Or if you want to use this inside the web version of Claude Code, we even have that documentation inside of here, which you can just I'll just show you how to do that. Yeah, if you're using hosted endpoint like inside of Claude Web, use this link. Just head over to Claude, go to customize, pick your tool, add this link and add the API key here, and you'll be able to use this surely. I'll just give you an example of how to use this. So I'm inside my Claude Web. I'll just go to customize. I'll just go in here, connectors. Yep, connectors. I'll just go and add a custom connector. I'll name this CanLII MCP. I'll just add the URL and paste your API key in here, press add, and that's all you need to do. Your CanLII will be connected. It's not connected because I have not used the API key, but usually it connects right away, and then you can go and start a news chat and start asking, hey, tell me something about Canadian law or something like that. So that's how easy it is to use our MCP server with CanLII. You can even use via API programmatically, but it's not usually that much, easy to use for someone who does not know how to code, or for lawyers like you. So that's why we created this project. We have received like a few stars, and few people are actively using it. I have their feedback over email as well. So that's one thing. If you have any feedback, or you want to talk to us more about it, or if you want to have more functionality on this, just send me an email on let me just write that here, contact@vaquill.ai. Yep, that's it, and I'll reply maybe within few hours at max. So that's all from my side. I'll see you in the next video.